Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we're going to do an unboxing of four paintings that I got from Amazon. The first one is called Boots and Bloom, and it's a full drill, and I figure it's just perfect for now, especially for today here in Texas. It was raining all day. Mostly it was more like sprinkling, but very cloudy and very foggy. So as you can see, this one has the booties, which are the rubber booties for when it's raining, okay, for the spring. And it's and as you can see, you've got flowers, and it looks like the boots are being used as a pottery for the flowers to grow on. And then of course little birdies are enjoying it. And it has lots of green grass and blue sky, so it's just perfect. All right, this one, guys, is a 30 by 40 centimeters. So let's see the true size. It's 25 by 34.5. Okay, and this one has 27 colors, and it's $9.98. Okay, let me bring it up so you can see it. It's very, very clear. There goes one of the little birdies, the beautiful flowers, and of course the booties, or the wellies, and another little birdie. Okay, and here it comes with a tray, wax. This is actually a straightener. This is the comfort grip for the pen, and it comes with 2 pens and some resealable bags. All right, let's put this over here. And then these are the colors. So let's open this one up. I don't know why, but I guess this is a new thing. They put them in 2 packages like this. All right, I guess they fit better that way. Put the plastic away. All right, let's see. Let's begin, I guess, doesn't matter, with this one. So, very pretty green. Let me push this up so you can see the colors. That's black, gray, red. Of course, you got, I guess, red on the flowers. There's like a darker red. This one's going to have lots of greens, guys, as you can see. Lots of greens. And of course, it's like a yellow, orange, and that pretty light blue. I wonder if this is for the sky or even for the boots. Okay, put this one over here, and let's look at this one in the meantime. More blues, blue greens, and hair, and some green. This probably looks for the grass. Some pinks, those are the flowers. Some reds, pinks, yet white. Well, this is really not a white. This is like a light blue. Probably for the sky. More beautiful blues and reds and white. Okay. Not bad, guys. This has, like I said, 27 colors. Very, very nice and perfect for now. I think I picked all spring ones. Okay, so let's put this one over here for now. All right, the next one, I believe, is called Birdies in Birdhouse. Okay. Actually, you know what? It didn't have a title, and I basically called it Birdies in Birdhouse because it's got a birdhouse. It's got 3 little birdies, and well, these 2 are on top of the birdhouse, and this one is in the house. Okay, and then you have beautiful flowers, and then some greenery in the background. Okay, so this one is supposed to be a 30 by 40 also. I'm hoping you guys are not seeing a glare, but is that better? I don't know. Okay, let's see. 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters. Okay, this one has 25 colors, and this one is actually $5.99. And I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. There goes the birdies, well, the 2 birds, and then this beautiful birdhouse, and then inside there goes the little birdie, and then some beautiful flowers. Okay, and this comes, if I can get it out, with resealable bags, wax, comfort grip, and a pen and a tray. All right, and these are the beautiful colors. So let's open this one up too, if I can get it open. Okay, that's one. I guess this is their new packaging. I don't know if I like it. I just basically, you know what I do when I put them back? I just cut this part out and I just put both of them in one. Because it fits in one. Okay. So let's see. Wow, look at that pretty color. It's like a peachy color or coral or salmon. That's probably for the flowers, blues. I think this is black, gray, green, blues, brown. This is a brown right here. Blues, a light pink. That's probably for the flowers. And this is like a chocolate brown, and that's like a dark green. All right, and then this one. It's like a light peach, light greens. It's like these really pretty pinks, guys. That's probably for the flowers. Look at that, look at all that. How pretty that is. And then you have grays, peachy colors. It looks like an apricot. And that's a dark gray and some white. And probably for the birdies. All right. So let's put that one aside. And what did we say? This is $5.99. Okay. The next one. The next one, guys, is, I called it flowers and butterflies because that's what you see. And it's currently unavailable. I couldn't find it. I think I ordered this one a while back, and so I couldn't find the price for it. Okay, so it says, life takes you to unexpected places. Love brings you home. Just perfect. Love, love, love all these blues and greens in the background. Of course, all the beautiful flowers, and of course, the butterflies. And then you have green grass at the bottom. Just gorgeous. This one's a 30 by 40. So let's see the true size. I just heard my mama sneeze. Bless you, mama. 25 centimeters by 35. Okay, so let me bring it up so you can see it. This one's really clear. Love the dark colors on the sky. Well, it's bright colors actually. And this again, perfect for the spring. All right, and this one has 16 colors, which is not bad. And where are the drills and the, okay, so it comes with a pen, wax, tray, and resealable bags. They all do. This one, I don't know what happened. I think I must have opened it, so I don't know where the bag is, but that's fine. Okay, and by the way, yeah, like I said, this one, we don't know the price. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully it'll be back. Okay, this is like a blue-green. Probably for the background. And you have gray, lots of grays. This is like a blue-green also, blues. Very pretty green. Lots of greens, lots of different tones of green in this one, guys. And again, more blues. Wow, look at this. There's 3 packets of, actually 3 or 4. No, 3 of this one. And that's probably for the background. And you have some white, that's for the flowers. Some light blues and green again. Okay. This is gorgeous. All right. And the last one, guys. One more. This one, I also got it a while back. And this was called Gardenia. I mean, who doesn't like gardenias? The scent, the smell is amazing, delicious. Okay, so this is a 30 by 40. It's got 22 colors, and this one's $9.99. $9.98. So I'm going to bring it up so you can see those beautiful gardenias. Look at that. Look how gorgeous. It's just really, really pretty, guys. Okay, so this comes, well, actually, let me get the true size. Sorry about that. This one's 35 by almost 25. By the way, I love this measuring tape. This is from Diamond Nana. She gave me this. Thank you, Diamond Nana, again, because I really love it. Okay, so we said this is $9.88. This one comes, of course, with a tray, wax, and a pen. And let's open up the colors. Sorry about the noise. That cannot be helped. Okay. Okay, so here you have white. That's probably for the flowers. And like a light. This is like a cocoa. Love this color. It's really, really pretty. I like that. All right, let's see. So here you have got greens, yellow, like 2 tones of yellow. Lots of greens, brown. Lots of browns and yellows. So mostly browns, yellows, and greens in this one, guys. Look at this. Look at this. All different tones of brown in this one. Okay. So that's what I have for today. And let me bring them all out again. So this one is called Gardenia. And I got it for $9.88. So this one's still available. This one, I called it Flowers and Butterfly, and it's not available right now. Okay. And then this one I called Birdies in Birdhouse, and this one's $5.99. This one is available. And I'll put everything in the description box. And this one is called Boots and Bloom for $9.98. So I hope you love them as much as I do. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful night. And I'll see you guys again on Friday. Bye-bye.